deities, Brahma the creator, Vishnu the preserver, and Mahesh, Shiva, the destroyer, govern existence. Whenever evil rises, Lord Vishnu incarnates in 10 divine forms, the Dash avatars. These incarnations remind us that whenever evil rises, the divine always finds a way to restore harmony.
I am Brahma, the creator of the universe. I am associated with creation, knowledge, and Vedas. My four heads represents the four Vedas, Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Atharved, and are pointed to four cardinal directions.
I am Vishnu, one of the principal Hindu deities, the preserver of universe. I have combined many lesser divine figures and local heroes, mainly through my avatar. My 10 primary avatars are called Dashavatar.
I am Mahesh, also known as Shiva. I am revered as the destroyer of ignorance, illusions, and the ego, paving the ways for spiritual enlightenment and transformation. Lord Vishnu, the protector of all that exists, his purpose is return to earth during times of turmoil in order to right the scales between good and evil.
It is believed that when the earth is threatened by disorder or wickedness, Lord Vishnu would descend on it in one of his incarnations to restore justice.
According to Hindu mythology, Vishnu has taken 10 different avatars which are together known as Dashavatar.
Tonight, we are presenting the divine saga of Dash Avatar, Lord Vishnu's 10 secret incarnations. I am Matsya, the first incarnation of Lord Vishnu. I am a gigantic fish with a human torso joined to my tail. I rescued the first man, Valasada Manu, and the seven Sinjis during the Great Flood, bringing every plant and animal species to the renewed earth on my boat.
I am Kurma, the second incarnation of Vishnu. I came on earth and worked alongside gods and demons to extract nectar from the Milky Sea. By churning it with this stick, I took additional precautions to prevent devils from obtaining the nectar.
I am Varha, the third incarnation of Lord Vishnu. I rescue earth from demon Hiranyakashipu, who had taken and hidden her in pre-mortal waters. After killing the demon, I lift earth out of water using my tusk, bringing back Bhudevi to her rightful place in the cosmos.
I am the fourth incarnation of Vishnu, Narsimha. Hiranyakashipu, the devil, was awarded a great boon from Lord Brahma, making it impossible for him to be killed by man or animal, indoor or outdoor, during day or night, on earth or among the stars, with a weapon that was either alive or inanimate. I took human form with lion's head and talons. I killed devil tread on my thighs and tugs with my claws. I am Vaman, the fifth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. I came down from heaven to restore the rule of Indra over the heavens. I went against the advice of Sukracharya and got 3 pieces of land from King Mahabali. Then I grew bigger to walk effortlessly over all 3 dimensions. With the first step, I descended to earth, and with the second step to the underworld. King Mahabali couldn't keep his word, so he sacrificed his own head. I am Parshuram, the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu and the first Brahmin and Kshatriya. I am an immortal and will appear at the end of Kali. I am the destroyer of the evil and liberated the earth from demons. I have killed all the male Kshatriyas on earth 21 times to avenge my father's murder.
I am Ram, the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Ravan, the demon king of Sri Lanka, kidnapped my wife Sita, the daughter of King Janak. When I was exiled from my own country for 14 years with my brother Lakshman and my wife Sita. After killing the Ravan, I went to Ashok Vatika in Lanka to rescue the Sita. And then after winning the battle, I came back to Ayodhya. I am Buddha, Vishnu's eighth incarnation. I am a wandering aesthetic and religious teacher. I have founded Buddhism, which is not only a religion but also philosophical tradition. After leading a life of meditation and asceticism, I attained Nirvana at Bodh Gaya. My teaching helps individuals attain a good life.
I am Krishna, the ninth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. I am the god of protection, compassion, tenderness, and love. I have been a central figure in Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Puran, the Brahma Vaivarta Puran, and Bhagavad Gita. I am Kalki, the 10th and the last incarnation of Lord Vishnu. I will arrive at the end of Kali on a white horse with a flaming sword. I will be the one to announce the end of time and then usher in the Satyug that follows. Despite the multiple theories in existence to this, Lord Vishnu is popularly considered to have taken 9 avatars, with his 10th avatar being the final.
May the divine wisdom of the Dash Avatar inspire us all, guiding us on the path of righteousness and harmony. And so, with righteousness resorted and evil vanquished, Lord Vishnu's 10th incarnations fulfilled their divine purpose. Balance returned to the universe, reminding all that dharma always prevails.